Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox and review the Zenez gaming chair. This is an ergonomic high back PU leather racing style with adjustable armrest and back recliner swivel. It's also an office chair. Okay, so I bought this online. It was 90 euros, so it was a really good price, and I decided to go for it. The other ones that I have been looking, it starts from 130, 140, and they all look the same. So I decided to risk, and let's check it. Okay, so from inside the box we have all the parts to assemble the chair. So let's have a look at the instructions. So the instructions I received, the chair is not the same as you can see, but we must follow the same order. Okay, so first thing is to secure underneath the seat the part with the handle. Okay, so we need to remove the screws, position, and put all the screws back. Okay, next step, we need to assemble the two main parts of our chair together. For that we need to screw four screws. Okay, once again we need to remove the screws, align the back of your chair, and we will need to do the same on the other side. So just leave it a little bit loose because we will need to put on the other side, and it will be easier to do it like that. Okay, so here on the other side, now we can go until the end, and now on the other side we can secure. Okay, so we have the chair ready to receive the arm rester. Okay, also very easy to assemble. And now we need to do the same on the other side, and that's it. We may now proceed to the base of the chair, we need to mount the wheels. Okay, so the wheels are really easy to assemble, just point and push. Okay, now the part that enables the chair to go up and down. Just slide it in, put the plastic cover, and it's ready to receive the chair. Be careful with your fingers. And now we are almost ready. We just need to assemble or to mount the final plastic protections. And so we have 2 black screws, and we have to do the same on the other side. And the chair is ready to use. And I'm really glad with my purchase because the price is really good and the quality of the chair is also really good. So as I told you, the price I was looking for other chairs, and they were really more expensive, and the quality of this one is really good. And as you can see, we can use it on several positions. What makes it a really good chair for the price. Zenez. Also, the pillows work really nice on our back, and overall I'm really happy with this purchase. I find the design really good, materials also good, and I like this chair a lot. So don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, to give it a thumbs up. Will help me and will help the channel to grow up in YouTube. Okay, so if you don't like the pillows, you can remove them. It's really easy. But I'm really satisfied with this purchase. By 90 euros, it's a really good chair, and it's really comfortable, and will add really nice value to my setup. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I catch you on a new video. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.